According to the University of Florida, few places in the United States will be more affected by climate change than Florida, and guess what part of Florida stands to be impacted the most? The Suncoast. ABC 7's Dwayne Lindo joins us with more. Dwayne.
Well, Alan, the experts we spoke with say the message is pretty clear. The issue of climate change has to be addressed now in the city in an effort to slow harmful effects. When it comes to helping the environment, Dini Bergbright believes much of Sarasota is being complacent, but she says her place is on the front lines.
Because I'm in the community, it's really important that that I can use my voice to help make change in that area. And that change consists of roof solar panels on her home and a new community composting program in North Sarasota. And we've diverted 1,500 pounds of garbage, mostly, kitchen scraps, from the landfills. You can get a little bucket and get your little scraps and bring them to the community composting, and then once it composts down, you can come back and actually get the compost to use in your garden. And not only is Bergbright doing what she can, but Sarasota is preparing for environmental changes in the city as well, by way of the Climate Adaptation Plan. City Manager Tom Barwon says solidifying infrastructure is only part of the plan.
Yet we're softening at the same time our impact on the environment by trying to lessen those influences that are causing the sea level to rise and for the temperatures to continue to get warmer and warmer. With solar being of the utmost priority. So we put very little carbon in the air by electric cars, hybrid cars, pedal power, foot power, whatever we can think of and innovate to bring our contribution to the negative parts of climate change.
A climate change that Barwon says is affecting the Suncoast, with Sarasota Bay rising 7 inches in the past 70 years, going on to say that the level at which it's rising is rapidly increasing.
To where we're going to see a 12 to 18 inch rise by 2050. So if we want to minimize that potential, the city of Sarasota and as many cities and communities, states and countries around the world need to get very serious about softening the impact of climate change.
In addition, the city found there will be a major threat of extreme precipitation and extreme heat.
Florida is on the front line of global warming.
Professor of Conservation Ecology at Duke University, Stewart Pym, conducts research in the state of Florida, points to the dependence of fossil fuels that continue to deteriorate the ozone.
It's carbon emissions from burning oil and gas and coal that drive global warming.
Pym feels Florida and much of the Suncoast will experience major problems in the future if no one takes action.
If we keep on dumping carbon dioxide into the atmosphere at the rate we're doing, we know that the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is going up. When it goes up, the temperature goes up.
The city addressing the concern and impact in a climate change symposium this week.
There's a lot of individual choices that we can make that are going to ensure that living in the beautiful state that we do, that we can have a rich life and one that we can hand a beautiful planet to our children and grandchildren.
We think we're moving into a new era, and we would like to be on the front edge of that new era. We enjoy the beauty, we enjoy nature, that's why so many people are here. We should be on the front edge of protecting it and preserving it. We should be leading by example.
Now, this symposium is all part of an educational campaign informing residents in the city.
Dwayne, thank you.